Hi, I'm Harvey. We're just a few days away from the National Self-Build and Renovation Show. The centre's really busy, it's quite noisy, there's lots of things happening at the moment, so let's go and have a look around. One of the great things in the build-up to the shows is there's loads of new stands being installed. So whether you've been to the centre before, this will be your first visit, there'll be loads of new products and technologies for you to see. So this is our Sovereign Theatre. This is one of a number of theatre areas that we use during the show. In this theatre, it's mainly our exhibiting partners telling you about their latest products and technologies. There's a range of talks on ventilation, building systems, heating systems. They normally last about 20-25 minutes, and there's always a chance for you to ask questions at the end. So this is our beautiful oak frame mezzanine. And during the show, we'll have our professional services experts here, so architects, designers, project managers, so you can come, bring your plans, drawings, or just a list of questions, and sit down with them and they can help you move your project forward. It also gives an amazing view of the centre. In our main piazza, we'll be having live demonstrations, which is a great opportunity to see products being tested in an interactive environment. We're really looking forward to a busy 3 days here at the centre. If you haven't booked your tickets yet, don't worry, still plenty of time. Just go onto our website, that's nsbrc.co.uk, and we look forward to seeing you at the show.